Hi, good afternoon. My name is Earl. I live in New York at the epicenter of this virus going on. And I've been taking this product for 2 days now. Is Gyra supplement, and they have been helping me tremendously. I was suffering a lot of time with fever, coughing, and so. When I start using it, I don't have any really fever. Cough a little, but everything's getting better. And also a lot of stuff that I saw came out. I didn't expect that to come out of my body. Anyway, I would recommend it to anyone who is suffering for all those diseases, the virus, and just try it. It's pretty good. I've been using it, as I said, for 2 days now, and it has been really helping me. All right, take care and God bless.